potatoes for the trial field are sprouting in the greenhouse. There's already a nicely hardened germer on it. It gives an advance of the crop after planting. I built this greenhouse myself from second-hand material and will show you what I'm doing here. The crossing parents that I will plant soon will be placed here. I built this box to store my cooking and baking samples with an electric heater and thermostat. Due to emergent problems in the past, I want to put the seeding in this box. The potato is a light germinator and must also have light. Here I have the crossing parents for this year.